কল্লোলিত হবার পালা। মহতরমা আলিয়া সরওয়ার ডেজি। ইয়েস ম্যাম।
আমি কোনো কিছু বলার শুরুতেই স্মরণ করছি সর্বকালের সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ বাঙালি জাতির পিতা বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমানকে। বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম and good evening. My name is Daisy Sarwar, President of Bangladesh Jubo Mahila League, ex-Deputy Mayor, Dhaka North City Corporation. Honorable guest, I am deeply honored to receive the International Iconic Excellence Award 2024, recognizing our collective efforts to uplift human welfare in Bangladesh and beyond. Inspired by Father of our nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, our commitment during the COVID-19 pandemic led by Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina showcased unprecedented generosity and responsibility in providing free vaccine to our people. As the newly elected President of Bangladesh Jubo Mahila League, I am dedicated to empowering young women to contribute actively to our recovery efforts under the guidance of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Her exceptional leadership garnered her a Vaccine Hero Award from the Global Alliance for Vaccine and Immunizations. Under her direction, Bangladesh not only maintained economic stability through robust agricultural output and steady remittance flows, but also launched one of the earliest and most effective vaccination campaigning globally. Today, Bangladesh is transitioning towards a digital future, driving sustainable and inclusive development through rapid integration of digital technologies across sectors to achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and to improve the lives of our citizens. This ceremony, organized by the Maldives, Bangladesh Friendship Society and the Asian Business Partnership Summit, underscores the powers of cooperation across Asia, fostering mutual understanding and respect. I urge great collaboration in culture, trade, and brotherhood, essential for Asia's resilience and global leadership. Finally, I invite you to experience Bangladesh beauty and hospitality. Come and witness its natural wonders and rich cultural heritage. Thank you for this incredible honor and for the opportunity to be a part of this memorable evening. Let us continue to work together for a more connected and prosperous Asia. There is so much more to say about Bangladesh. It has become a new hope, new land. With the power and impact of technology, digital Bangladesh will soon become smart Bangladesh, inshallah. I will not take any more time. I would like to end my speech in my sweet mother tongue, Bangla, by saying, মাঠ ছাড়া ধান হয় না, পানি ছাড়া মাছ বাঁচতে পারে না, সন্তান ছাড়া মা হওয়া যায় না, ঠিক তেমনি বঙ্গবন্ধুর জন্ম না হলে বাংলাদেশের জন্ম হতো না। জয় বাংলা, জয় বঙ্গবন্ধু। ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Yes, award ceremony, that is the International Iconic Excellence Award 2024. Today's program.